Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your price picks not available location. If you're having trouble with price picks not being available in your location, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, try logging in into RotoWirePicks app again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's see if there's an update available for RotoWirePicks in your App Store or Play Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and then search for Price Picks and then click on the option of RotoWirePicks. Now see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you're using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest bug fixes and improvements. Next, if updating also didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your app settings and then search for app and then scroll down until you see the option of the app you have been looking for and then click on the option of RotoWirePicks and then scroll down and click on the option of storage. Now on the bottom right of your phone you'll see the option of clear cache, so hit on the option of clear cache. Now if you're an iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. Now if none of the previous methods help, go ahead, delete the app RotoWirePicks from your phone and then reinstall it again with all the latest files and bug fixes. And there you go. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems or stubborn problems. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.